Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to start a live subscription in TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. A live subscription feature would enable TikTok creators to earn money directly from their fans. Subscribers could pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content, special perks, or simply to support their favorite creators. Subscribers might feel a stronger connection to creators they support, financially leading to increased engagement during live streams. And of course, this could result in longer watch more times, more comments, and higher participation in interactive features like polls and Q&A questions. Now, to learn more about the TikTok Live subscription, I suggest you go here at the guidelines on TikTok Live, and you would be able to get more information about it. But we're going to do that right now on our profile. Now, when you click on the upper right corner and click the settings, you are not going to be able to see the creator tools here, all right, because the mobile version and the website or the desktop version is kind of different in terms of the interface. What I suggest you to do is click on the Live Creator Hub. And from here, you can explore the endless possibilities of TikTok Live. It's the place to be for real-time fun, expression, creativity, and connection. And just wait for it to load. Now, this is basically how Live works, okay? And again, you can't access the creator tools. So we are going to switch on our mobile device and open the TikTok app from there, all right? Now, once you are inside the TikTok app on your mobile device, I need you to hover to the hamburger menu at the upper right corner, which is the three horizontal lines. Now, basically, you would be able to have the creator tools at this section. But the thing is, if we can't find the creator tools, that means you must gain at least 1,000 followers, right? So that's one of the prerequisites to qualify for the TikTok Live subscription. But the thing is, if you have 1,000 followers and you can't find the creator tools, you might want to go to the settings and privacy and click on support and go to the help center. And of course, from here, you can search for the TikTok Live subscription shooting guidelines. Now, go back, click on report a problem as well, because from here, you can report that your creator tools is missing, even though you have like 1,000 followers. Let's do that right now. Submit a report. And of course, from here, you need to be detailed as much as you can. Include information such as you are trying to start a live subscription here on your account, but the thing is, you can't find the creator tools, although you have already 1,000 followers. And after that, you might want to add some photo here, like a screenshot and a small video if you wanted, and then click submit. After that, TikTok support will give you a response if they were able to figure out a way to troubleshoot and give you guidelines on how to start a live subscription for your TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.